Bimoba Charity Foundation, in collaboration with Scarp FM, presents Bimoba Music and Culture Awards 2024. This year's event is on the theme, Preserving the Bimoba Cultural Heritage, the Role of Music. Date is 29th December 2024 at the Nampanduri DA Basic School Park. Activities include radio interviews with artists and community-based cultural troupes prior to the event, as well as music and cultural dance display by competitors and guest artists during the event. Note that winners of both music and cultural troupe categories will be determined by popular vote. Special guest of honor, Chamba Lamong Joseph Abu Senior, Development Chief of Ajen Kotoku Accra, Chairperson of the occasion, Chief of Biankur Naba Alima Senior Nanswang. Other important guests include Honorable Joseph Lokna, DCE, Bumpurugu Nampanduri District, Honorable Oscar Liwal, NPP's parliamentary candidate for Unyo Constituency 2024, Honorable Anabida Isaka, DCE, Tempani District, Honorable Dr. Abed Bandem, MP and parliamentary candidate for NDC 2024, Bumpurugu Constituency, Honorable Joseph Nabu, former MP, Unyo Constituency, Honorable Lydia Lamisi Akamvariba, MP, Tempani Constituency, Honorable Solomon N. Boar, NPP's parliamentary candidate for Bumpurugu Constituency and former Minister for the Northeast Region. Chiefs present: Paramount Chief of Nampanduri Traditional Area and host of events, Naba David Kansuk, representative of the Dupuru Traditional Area, Chamba John Dunowap Fubna, Paramount Chief of Bumpurugu Traditional Area, Naba Alhaji Abuba Nasimon, Paramount Chief of Bampon Traditional Area, Naba Haruna Nasimon Lar II, Paramount Chief of Bindi Traditional Area, Paramount Chief of Dapang Traditional Area, Chief of Popular Traditional Area Naba Dazur II, and all other chiefs and queen mothers of Bimoba land. All Bimoba musicians, both in Ghana and abroad, are expected to attend. Media partners: GTV, Sagani TV, ZA TV, Long TV and Radio, Bedouin FM, Pibri FM, Radio Savannah, Quality FM, and Divine Online Radio. Sponsors: Limos Gen Company Limited, Verna Natural Mineral Water from Twillium Industrial Company Limited, Still Peace and Love Drinking Water. For enquiries or partnership, call the following numbers: 024-412-3701 or 020-718-7229. Bimoba Music and Culture Awards 2024 is organized by Mr. Elijah Moon Jabba Duwuruk Bimbanab, CEO of Bimoba Charity Foundation. Don't miss this event for anything. Join us on 29th December 2024 at the Nampanduri DA Basic School Park.